Alright, so today I'm doing the 10-piece chicken nugget pack from McDonald's unboxing. And it's a little funny story for you. My dad usually gets me a Big Mac or a couple McDoubles, but this time got me one of these. It's pretty special, a little something for you there. Well, let's get right to it. So right off the bat, we have first thing you look at when you look in the box. It says stack 'em and dunk 'em, as displayed right there. Stacking them right here, dunking them in some sauce. Looks pretty good. And it says right here 10 chicken nuggets. Right here it says made with white meat chicken, which is something to be proud of. It's a big deal. And right here, very important little homage. It's a Ronald McDonald dunking it into the garbage can, which is a little message saying to throw away what you get, what you don't need anymore. Very important. Very important. And here it says dip, dunk, delight, ... combining your perfect flavors. Meaning this is the perfect combination for whatever style you have, whether you like this one or that one or whatever. And yeah. Oh, almost forgot the nutrition facts right here. Okay, serving size is 1 container, obviously pretty reasonable. And the amount per serving has 470 calories and 270 calories of fat. The daily value is total fat 30 grams, which is 45%. The saturated fat is 5 grams, which is 25%. The trans fat is 0 grams. The cholesterol is 65 milligrams, 22%. Sodium is 900 milligrams, making that 37%. Total carb is 30 grams, making that 10%. Dietary fiber, 2 grams, making that 6%. And the sugars is 0 grams. It's pretty impressive. It's good work on your part, McDonald's. Protein is 22 grams. Right here it says the calories. 24%, making that 470. There's no percent or anything, but protein is 44%, 22 grams. The fat is 45%, 30 grams. The carbs are 10%, which is 30 grams. And sodium is 37%, which is 900 milligrams. And right here, this little box right here says actual values may vary due to factors such as individual preparation of our menu items, current as of 04/14. For the most complete nutrition information, visit www.mcdonalds.com. It's pretty interesting. Right here it says copyright 2014 McDonald's. Actually, that's a little too much to read. I'll just skip that. It's not too important. And right here, I'm going to go ahead and see if this whole 10-pack deal is actually legitimate. 1 nugget. Move it over here so you can see it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So there you have it. The 10-piece chicken McNuggets from McDonald's. I've had these before. Pretty delicious. I'd recommend going to pick it up. Get your money's worth. So that's it. This is Alex signing out. 10-piece chicken nugget. And dunk them, stack them, do whatever you want. I'm out.